Hey guys, so I'm so sorry I'm not there today, but I will be there tomorrow. So today we're starting a new unit on adding and subtracting fractions, and I'm gonna do some examples, and then you have a sheet to work on, and we're gonna go over everything tomorrow, okay? So when we're adding and subtracting unlike fractions, we have to make sure that the denominator is the same, okay? There's two ways you can do this, okay? Personally, I like the first way I'm gonna show you, but you can do the second way if you want to, okay? So they have to have common denominators. So one way to do it is you multiply each fraction by the opposite denominator. So you would multiply this by 5 and this by 5 because that's that denominator, and you're gonna multiply 2 and 5 by 2 because it's that denominator. So when you do that, you get 5 tenths plus 4 tenths. So now I can add them because they have a common denominator. So my answer would be 9 tenths, okay? That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is a little bit trickier, but you can still do it. So another way is you multiply these two, and that's gonna be your denominator. Then you multiply these two and get 5. You multiply these two and get 4, and you bring your sign up and you just add it. Okay? So those are the two different ways that you can do it. I'm gonna do a couple more examples of both, and then you can get started on your classwork for today, okay? So another example could be 2/3 minus 1/5, okay? This is adding and subtracting only, okay? We do something completely different for multiplying and dividing. So, my way, I'm gonna multiply both of these by my opposite denominator, which is 5. And then I'm gonna multiply these by my opposite denominator, which is 3. And then I write my two new fractions down here. So that's gonna be 10/15 minus 3/15. And 10 minus 3 is 7, and you keep your denominator, okay? And we'll show the other way. All right, the other way to do it, multiply your bottom. That becomes your denominator. Multiply this, you get 10. Multiply this, you get 3. Bring your sign up, which is 7. Okay? So either one of those ways works. It does not matter how you do it. Okay? So that's the lesson for today. Work as much as you can on your classwork. I will go back over it tomorrow when I get there. And I miss y'all. Y'all be good for Miss McCormick.